$7.8 million in reward money paid out by Crime Stop in 2018.
Open your mouth and say so, say so.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Crime fighting agency Crime Stop paid out a whopping $7.8 million in reward money from a total of 1,444 calls made to it in 2018. Crime Stop has reported that it received 25.4% more calls in 2018 than in the previous year. There were also 42 tips received via internet sources. The information is contained in the 2018 edition of the Economic and Social Survey, a publication of the Planning Institute of Jamaica. An analysis of the calls received showed that 319 were in relation to illegal firearms and ammunition. 219 provided information on gunmen, 87 were for wanted persons, 68 were drug-related, 54 murders, and 38 each for illegal gambling and lottery scamming. Additionally, Crime Stop received 33 calls in relation to stolen motor vehicles. The agency said the ratio of success to calls investigated was 1-7, compared with 1-8 the previous year. Some 102 arrests were made, which included 21 for illegal gambling, 20 for illegal possession of firearm, 16 for illegal possession of drugs, and 13 for murders. The survey revealed that from information received, 55 illegal firearms and 831 rounds of ammunition were seized. So too some 1,500 kilograms of cured marijuana, 5,000 marijuana seedlings, 8 stolen motor vehicles, and $5.7 million in cash. Additionally, 3.1 hectares of marijuana cultivation was discovered. Crime Stop said the value of narcotics seized or discovered in 2018 was approximately $39.4 million, while the total value of property recovered was approximately $9.8 million. Since its inception in September of 1989, a total of 27,601 calls have been received by the crime fighting agency, of which 21,493 were investigated. This has produced 2,564 arrests, of which 334 were for murder. For the overall period, narcotics valued at $778.9 million was seized, and property valued at $240.8 million recovered. Roughly $35.4 million have been paid out in rewards, of which $20.6 million was contributed by the Ministry of National Security.
Yo, when last a dance keep? When last the bar stay open past 6? Not even ball can play. Funeral every week. Every night gun bust and nobody no know who. How you feel when you hear say a little girl gets snuffed out by the same guns where you know about?
Gunman make the whole of we lock up in a house. Shut down with business and make no party can't keep.
And the whole of we a keep secret, like we are gunman too.
A time we stop give up with life and start give up the foolishness, give up the guns and get back with life.
Call Crime Stop at 311 if you see a gun. Hear about a gun or know where the gun's dead.
Each gun off the street is a reward of up to $150,000 for you, a better life for your family, and a safer community.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.